Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Indi Enu Hakimah. I'm in 10th grade majoring in fashion. Now I want to tell you a short story with the title The Orphan Child. Rasulullah was going to the Eid Salah. While going to the Eid Salah, all the Sahabah were walking and they were all saying takbir. Allahu Akbar. And the streets of Medina Munawwarah were echoing in Allahu Akbar. Rasulullah was walking to the Eid Salah. He sees this young child sitting on the side. And this young child has his face buried in his hand. And he is crying away. Rasulullah stopped and told the companions, "You guys continue, I'm coming." He went to the child and he sat next to him on the side of the street. And Rasulullah asked to the child, "Young child, why are you crying?" So this young child said that today is the day of Eid. And all the children are holding their father's hand and they're going to their Eid Salah. My father was Uhud. I have no father. There's no father's hands I can hold. And the child sat there and crying on the side of the street. So the young child said, "Leave me alone. Let me cry. Let me sit here and cry while the rest of the world enjoy itself." Rasulullah said to this child, "If you are crying, Muhammad will also celebrate the day of Eid." He held the child's hands and he said, "If all the children holding their father's hands, you will hold the hands of Muhammad. From today onwards, you will never say you do not have a father. And from today onwards, Muhammad is your father and Aisha is your mother." After that, Rasulullah walked with the child all the way up to the Eid Salah. When Rasulullah was giving a khutbah, he had the child sit on his thigh. In one narration, he had the child sit on his shoulders. This is mercy of Rasulullah. I hope we can imitate the morals of Rasulullah. And the last, thank you for your attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.